Hello everyone. So in this tutorial I'm going to do a couple of new things. So first one is this detection and detection speed depends on the location, the distance from the character to my character, the enemy to my character. And the next thing is once I go out from the visibility range, the enemy character considers it as a lost character. So at this time I'm not doing it like that. I gives some time before going back to the search, like this. Now I have broken his line of sight, but still it's not consider that I am like lost. And now he has decided that I have lost, he has lost me and return into normal duties. Okay, and this episode is going to be a little tedious because I have to optimize and fine tune some parameters and fix some bugs in the system, so please bear with me. So yeah, it would be tedious. And also this episode is also sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, this is what I want to fix first. So at the first time, yeah, you can see the behavior tree in the left side and you can see the game on the right side. Right, so first if I play whistle, no, okay, now the enemy is looking into me and he has detected me. Now I'll run away and hide again. Now this is the play state of the enemy. Now he is searching, and after that he goes to this searching, and he's in stuck here. And yeah, now he's back to patrolling. mm, Not really, he's here. He stuck in this state, and yeah, he's patrolling. So let's go and do a whistle again. And now what's happening is he's not going to detect me again, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the problem I'm having. Now let's see how to resolve that. Let's open the AI human blueprint. Okay, so it seems the problem is this: when my character fully detect when the AI character fully detect the player character, I do this, but and reset. But I never set the detection level to 0 at any case. So therefore this function does not return true for the second time. So where should I do that? I should do it here. When I clear this last scene location blackboard key, right here. Okay, now but here I don't have access to this AI human BT. Therefore I'll define a new function in the BPI AI interface. I'll call it reset parameters. So I will use this function to reset the values of this AI human BT like this. So here I'll set detect into false. That this may not be necessary because I already have it. I set this one to 0, and then I'll define a new task T reset parameters. I don't need any of these. Just get the controlled on a controller and called reset parameters. I think that's all I have to do. Let's check again. Detected. Run away and hide. He's coming. Nothing. Now he's going back. Let's do a whistle again. Why isn't he looking at me? Let's go in front of him again. Nothing is happening. What's wrong? Alright, I did not call that event task. Reset parameters. How stupid of me. Okay, let's give it a try again. This is game development. You have to kind of do a little bit, change a little bit, and test again, and try again, and test again. It is tedious, yes, but okay. Okay, he's detecting again, but he's not searching. Right, he is searching. Now he should be able to reject me. Right. Wait. Let's hide again. Okay, the next thing I want to develop is this. When I am closer to the enemy, the detection speed should be faster. When I am far from the enemy, detection speed should be relatively slow. So that's the next thing I want to develop. So that I can do it here. So I increase or decrease this detection level like this. So here for this true level I can do something like this. Here I have the act allocation of the controlled pawn, and then I can get the act allocation of the character that I am trying to detect like this. Let's get the distance between those two characters like this. I can easily get it like this as well. So I'll delete this one. And now I have the detection distance. Then shall we try dividing this by 10,000. Let's see how the speed is now. Okay, that's too much. Let's add another 0. Okay, that's better. Let's it's not hearing me. Let's go closer. I think still that's too fast. Let's add another 0. Okay, that's slow. That's too slow. That's too slow. Wait a minute, this is wrong. When my character is closer, then this value should be larger. So this is not the way I should have done the calculation. So this gives me the distance, and I need to divide some value with this distance. And let's clamp, not axis, clamp this in between 0 and 0.1 so that I wouldn't have any odd values. So for this I'll add 10,000. Now let's try 40,000 first. Well, actually 10 works better. Let me show the demonstration. So this is the detection speed when I am at a distance, some distance. Now let's see how I detect when I'm at closer, and it's fast like that. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. And also another thing, when I am in a fight like this, so if I cross this enemy's location, even if I am very close to the enemy, you can see that character outline appears. So like it says that I walked out from the enemy's vision range. So this is not fair when we are in a fight. When the enemy is in a fight, it can go away from the enemy's vision, but it's not fair to consider that enemy has lost me. So to fix that, I have already implemented this lock on event. So maybe I should call that here. And here when I equip the enemy, I should also call lock on with the true, and the enemy is this locked enemy. So this is what happens now. When once the enemy has detected me, he will keep looking at me even if I run around like this. But yeah, that's a problem. I just crossed this tree, and for a moment my vision to the enemy was blocked, and he considered it as a miss. Oh, he's lost. He has lost me. That's wrong. So what can I do about that? Yeah, well, I think if I just did break this part, it should be okay. But then again, what about this part? I think I need to do that part here. Well, we can do it like this. We can add a new function, actually not a function, an event to search. Let's, for now, let's move this part here. Don't need this one. Oh well, I reverted the changes, so this is the way at the moment currently. So what can we do about that problem? So actually what happens is this: when my character is fully detected, once it go out of the detection range, it just make this part, it just consider that the enemy has lost the visibility of the character. So if that happens, instead of doing this, let's do it like this. Let's first check if the detection is state is 2, that means I have fully detected the character. So before calling this, let's do something like this. If the detection state is 0 or 1, then that's alright, we don't have to do anything. Yeah, we need to do this part. Avoid this part calling here. We will call it right here. So before calling this, let's do something like this. Let's add a do once node and the detection level. Let's gradually reduce this one. Like this. Minus 0, 1 and add a delay like this. Set detection level and do the same. Now first do a branch. If detection level is smaller or equal to 0, I need to call false. This will be true, so I'll add a sequence like this, and the first thing would reset this one and second thing would call this. If this is false, I'll go back here and checking this detection state is not enough. Here also I have to check this one or not O. No, we don't need O. Let's add another branch like this, and if detecting is true, false, I'll do this. If by any case if the detection is again true, I need to reset this. So by the time we actually lose the enemy, the current location of the player should not be the last seen location. We should get the last seen location here. At once we lose the enemy's location. Anyway, let's test it again. So yeah, before that let's fix that problem as well. So here, instead of getting the, let me open this one first. Yeah, instead of directly getting the spawn transform from the player, I'll break this I'll remove this and I'll add a new input like this, last seen transform. Then I'll use it here like this. This should be transform. Okay, and now here when I set this, I will also get the transform of this of the player character. Actually this one, that means. And then I'll insert it like this. Now let's test again. Okay, so that's the last scene location. And yeah, if I okay, I think that's better now. And yeah, time is running out. I have already taken about 25 minutes, so I'll stop here for now. So I'll do all the bug fixes in the system and improve it. I'll continue to improve it even though it seems tedious. And I'll post a source code update soon. And thanks for watching. If you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And see you in the next episode. Goodbye.